Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Civil Engineering Forum. Today we are going to talk about the best wood coating, or rather we would say best wood polish available in the market, which is used for applying in the exterior of our house. Name of this product is Asian Paints WoodTech PU Luxury Wood Finish for Exterior. But before starting with our product, we would look at what is PU polish at first and why is it used. These are the polish which can easily be applied on wood items that has stain resistance and water resistance property. This also gives elegant look, excellent durable finish and long lasting protection to various wooden articles. It can be used in interior as well as exterior. So basically this exterior wood polish is a clear transparent coating for wood which provides us with an excellent finish, protects our wood surface. Mistakenly, if we spill something, then this wooden surface can easily be washed and all the stain marks and dirt can be removed very easily. In this way, this coating even protects our wood from water, making it more durable. PU polish are available in market for using in interior as well as exterior. Now we will move towards the description of our product Asian Paints WoodTech PU Luxury Wood Finish for Exterior. Asian Paints WoodTech PU Exterior is a solvent-based clear coating used for coating wood surface in our home exterior, which is transparent and offers excellent smooth finish and good hardness. So this coating is solvent-based, that is, thinner is mixed with this chemical before application. And step by step the entire application process we are going to see it, but later on at the end of this video. Then this polish is crystal clear like water, due to which we get a smooth sheen finish. It also provides us with a very hard film coating which will protect our surface from any scratches and daily wear and tear. In this way the wood color applied, or we would say wood staining process done by us, or maybe any texture if applied, then this gets a tough protective coating or a layer of protective film over the surface. So after the basic description of this product, we'll move towards few benefits of using this product. So first is exterior durability. WoodTech PU Exterior has a UV guard which makes the product an excellent product for the exteriors. That means applying this product gives us a film which protects our surface from the ultraviolet radiations from the sun. And this is the reason why it is perfect for the exterior wood coating. Next point here is resists cracking. It has a strong yet flexible film, hence it resists cracking even on curved surface. So due to direct sunlight on the exterior of our house, the coating on the wooden surface might face expansion and contraction due to the temperature differences. Although due to this unsoundness, this polish after getting hardened becomes flexible, which will resist cracking. It will not allow our film to crack. The next point here is superior resistance. This polish has good scratch, stain and heat resistance. So scratches are not seen that easily on the surface which is applied by this polish. It is stain resistant, that is, stain marks will not last for long, it can be washed very easily, and again it is heat resistant. That is, there will be no effect of the direct sunlight, as we said, all ultraviolet radiations from the sun on our film. So our coating would last longer. And last point here is hardness. This has superior film hardness, making the product more durable. As we already talked about, this coating has a very hard film which will not make scratches very easily on the surface, and the beautiful finish will last longer. So after product benefits, we'll move towards few other product features like durability, that is life of this product. So after application, this coating would last at least for 8 years. The next point here is colors available. So this coating is a crystal clear transparent coating which would enhance the look of wood staining, or rather we would say wood color applied, or if any texture is applied on our wooden surface, the look would be awesome. Next we are going to talk about the drying time. So after application we will get a touch dry surface in about 20 minutes. Next we will see finishes available in the market for this polish. So this polish is available in matte and gloss finish. So based on your choice you can select it from the market. Then we'll see the products available in the market. So this is available in 1 liter, 4 liter, 10 and 20 liter packaging in the market. And then we'll see the coverage. That is, here we'll get 90 square feet coverage for 1 liter of the solution for one coat. So based on this you can take out the estimate of the quantity you need to purchase from the market. And then we'll move on towards the cost. This polish is available worth rupees 670 per liter. So based on the coverage and costing, you can take out the material costing estimation of applying this polish. And then as per our discussion, we'll see the entire application process of this particular polish, that too step by step. So here our first step is Woodtech PU exterior sealer first coat spraying. That is, at first we'll apply Woodtech PU exterior sealer, which will be available in your box of this polish. So we'll apply its first coat. But how to apply that entire process I have shown over here. Base to hardener ratio, that is our main chemical, that is PU exterior sealer, we need to mix it with the hardener. See, we cannot apply this directly, we need to mix it with the hardener in order to achieve the durability what we have seen earlier. And the proportion I have shown here, the base, that is main chemical, would be 80% and the hardener, which is very easily available in the market, would be 20%. So we need to mix this solution, and then our next step is use PU thinner. This thinner will also be available in the box. What you will have to use for dilution, we need to dilute this solution. What we already know that it is a solvent based polish. So again, after obtaining the ratio 80:20 for base to hardener, we need to dilute it, that is mix it with 30% of the PU thinner. And then our solution will be ready for the application of the coating. Now we need to apply this coating by using spray. So basically we are doing the process of spraying over here. See, brushing is not allowed here, it is not at all recommended for the preferred appearance. And then talking about the recoat period, that is second coat, we need to apply this within 72 hours of the application and drying of the first coat. Then we will move towards the second step, that is sanding. Sand the surface with sandpaper 320 or 400 and wipe clean. So after our first coat gets hard, we need to again make our surface rough by using this sandpaper 320 or 400. This sandpaper number 320 and 400 indicates that greater the number, smaller will be the size of the grain seen on the sandpaper. So here particularly we need to use 320 or 400 sandpaper, and then we need to clean our surface. Then we will move towards the third step, that is application of the second coat of the PU exterior sealer, again by spraying. So for application of the second coat also the procedure remains same. Base to hardener ratio would be 80:20. We need to dilute it by using PU thinner, that is up to 30%. Again we need to apply it by spraying. Then again we will have to apply our next coat within 72 hours. Next step here is, that is step number 4 again, is sanding. We need to again make our surface rough by using sandpaper 320 or 400 and wipe it clean. Then our step number 5 is Woodtech PU exterior matte or gloss first coat. That is based on our selection from the market, whether we have selected matte or glossy finish, we need to apply that particular first coat on our second coat of the sealer. So for applying this coat also this procedure remains same. Base to hardener ratio 80:20. We need to mix it with PU thinner for about 30% dilution, then applying it by spray. Then again we will have to apply our second coat of glossy or matte PU exterior within 72 hours. Step number 6, again sanding. We need to make our surface rough by using sandpaper 320 or 400 and again wipe it clean. And then this is our last step, that is step number 7, where we are applying Woodtech PU exterior matte or gloss second coat by using the same procedure. Base to hardener ratio 80:20, diluting it by PU thinner by 30% dilution, then application is by spraying, and if required, if you wish, you can apply the third coat within 72 hours. If you want more protection towards the surface, then you can apply the third coat. So friends, this is all for today. I hope this video was useful for you. If this is so, just click on the like button and do subscribe my channel Civil Engineering Forum. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.